everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to get and how to use coupons on the Epic Games Store. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After opening up Epic Games guys and logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you have on your account and all the games that you can buy in the store. So guys, to be able to get coupons and use them, the first thing you have to do is to enable that you can receive promotional offers from the Epic Games company on your email. And how do you do that? Well, it's very easy guys. The first thing you want to do guys is go right here in the upper right corner where your profile picture is and click on that icon right there. Clicking on that guys, now this will give you a drop down menu with multiple options such as seeing your achievements, using your settings, your account info and so on. What you want to do guys is go ahead and click the third option right here called account. Clicking on account guys, now this will open up an external tab where you will be able to see and edit your account info. So guys, if you look at the left side of the screen, you can see account settings, email preferences, payment management, so on. What we want to do guys is go ahead and click on the email preferences option. So guys, go ahead and click on email preferences and here you will see the option to get emails from Epic Games about products, news, events and so on. So you want to go ahead and make sure that you can check this. And now guys, after checking this, you'll get promotional offers on your email. So you have to keep an eye on your email from time to time to see when Epic Games sends promotional offers. And there they will send coupons that you will only have to click to enable or to get them. And after that, they will be automatically applied to your account. So the next time you go to buy a game where that coupon works, it will automatically deduct the cost from them. Cost of the game. So guys, if the game was $60, it will be less and it will say right here that the coupon is working. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.